Hi everyone, the following is a procedure for getting the visual followers for your Instagram. First of all, we are entering to the Instagram. Yes, this is my account. As you see, I don't have many followers. It is new. I opened area time before now, like 5 minutes ago. As you see, I don't have any followers. I have 0 followers. So I am going to show you how to get the video followers. Go to your browser and type the my tools town, or go to the website which is mytoolstown.com. Yes, mytoolstown.com. Yes, it is simple way to get the followers. Yes, as you see here, now you are supposed to enter the Instagram auto like this. You will get the free likes here. Then enter the username of your account which you want to get the free followers. It is any account without a password. Then search for it. Yeah, as you see, my account is free Instagram. I have 0 followers like in my Instagram account. Yeah, then we are going back. Yes, and you see we have a 0 credit. So we are supposed to in the credit. Click to in the credit to get the credit. Tap the link. The link will direct to the Instagram posting or account which you are supposed to like or to follow to get the credit. Then going back to the account, as you see, the 2 credit has been added to my account. Then follow to get another 2 credit. Then tap the link, will direct to the account. Then follow, then go back to the link, then go back. The 2 another credit will be added to my account. Then follow, then tap to follow, then follow account. Yes, then go back. We will receive another 2 credits. Then because we want to get followers, we are going to click the free auto followers, to get the followers. So as you see, the 2 credit is for 1 followers. Yes, and the credit we have not the enough credit, but it is increase another up to 10 credit. Click the link. Yes, do the things as I want. Yes, another one. I can go back to in the credit. Go back. We have a total of 80 credits. Then for to get another 2 credit, which will make a 10 credit. Yes, we are going back. Now we have 10 credit, as you see. Then we are going to see first my account. As you see, I have the 0 followers. I have 1 followers which I am not requested, but I am going to show you how to get the free auto followers. Then the crediting, as you see, 2 crediting is equal to 1 followers, and we have 10 crediting, which we are going to get 5 followers. So we click to solve the captcha. Then traffic light 1, 2, and 3, 4. Verify. Yes, we are qualified. So we are entering the number of followers we want to receive. Then promote. As you see, the promotion is successful. You will receive all followers in the next few hours. The notification at the bottom show us. So we are going to the Instagram to see whether the followers has now become to my account. As you see, I have 1 follower. So we are wait for 1 minute to receive the followers. So as you see in the top of the notification, followers increasing. So we are going to our profile. As you see, the 6 followers has been increased. So thank you for watching, and this is the best tip for get your followers. So thank you so much for watching.